In this video, we are going to explore the choose function in Microsoft Excel. The choose function allows you to select a value from a list based on its position. Let's dive in and see how it works. So, what exactly is the choose function? It is a function that returns a value from a list of up to 254 values based on an index number that you specify. The syntax of the choose function is as follows. Choose open parenthesis index number, comma, value 1, comma, value 2, and so on, up to value 254, close parenthesis. The index number determines which value from the list will be returned. The choose function has two types of parameters: index number, which is a required parameter, and value 1, value 2, and so on, which are multiple optional parameters. The index number is the position number, such as 1, 2, 3, and so on, of the value that you want to return from the list. Value 1, value 2, and so on represents the list of values you want to choose from. You can have up to 254 values in this list. Let's look at a basic example. If we use the formula, choose open parenthesis 2, comma, quotation mark, apple, quotation mark, comma, quotation mark, banana, quotation mark, comma, quotation mark, cherry, quotation mark, close parenthesis. The choose function will return the value banana. This is because we specified the index number as 2, which corresponds to the second value in the list: apple, banana, and cherry. The choose function can also use cell references. Here is an example. We have a table of sample data. Cell A1 contains the number 3. Cell B1 contains Mon, cell B2 contains Tuesday, and cell B3 contains Wed. If we use the formula choose, open parenthesis, A1, B1, B2, B3, close parenthesis, the choose function will return Wed. Since A1 contains the number 3, it selects the third value from the list, which is the contents of cell B3. The index number in the choose function can also be a formula. For example, choose open parenthesis 2 plus 1, 10, 20, 30, 40, close parenthesis. In this case, the choose function will first calculate the index by performing 2 plus 1, which equals 3. Then it will return the third value from the list, which is 30. The choose function has many practical use cases. Here are a couple of examples. First, converting numbers from 1 to 7 to weekday names for reports and dashboards. Second, transforming numeric scores into letter grades or performance ratings. Here are a couple of key points to remember when using the choose function. First, the index starts at 1. That means that the first value in your list is position 1, not 0. Second, the choose function returns a value error, indicated by a hash value exclamation mark, if the index is out of range or invalid. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.